Think building a website means coding, hiring designers, or spending a fortune? Not anymore. AI can do it for you in minutes. Most beginners get stuck thinking they need tech skills or a big budget just to put up a website. But tools like Durable make it incredibly simple. Here is the exact prompt I use. Create a simple website for a fitness coaching business. Feel free to pause if you would like to copy it. And just like that, AI builds a full website, complete with a homepage, images, and even starter text. You can click to edit anything, swap images, change the wording, or adjust colors, all without paying a dime. This is a powerful first step because now you've got a digital home base for your business. But the truth is, a website alone won't get you sales. You need a clear plan to connect this site to products, marketing, and real revenue. That's exactly what the AI Business Builder Challenge helps with. In 5 step-by-step episodes, it shows you how to set up the foundation of your business using AI, from building your website to creating your business plan and marketing strategy. And as a bonus, you also unlock the no funnel method that teaches you how to start getting customers without complicated tech setups. So if you've been putting off your website because it felt too hard or too expensive, this is your sign that AI makes it easy. The AI Business Builder Challenge will walk you through the rest. I dropped the link for you in the description.